Hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a double crochet. So the first thing we want to do is make a slip knot for our chain. So you take it around like that, cross and pull this loop tighter. And take your hook and make a slip knot and tighten it over your hook. So now we are going to chain. So we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Take the yarn on the left and loop it around from the right. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull the loop. Yarn over, pull the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You're just going to keep going for as long as you want. Okay, so I have now made my chains. So what you're going to do is when you make double crochets, you have to crochet in the fourth chain from the hook, so the double crochet doesn't get scrunched on the first one. So you count 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth chain. So you're going to yarn over, go through that fourth chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, so now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you just have that single loop on your hook, and you have a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, go through the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, so you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go through the chain or stitch, whatever you're working on, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. You're just going to keep yarning over and pulling up 2 loops. So now I am reaching towards the end of this first row, and then I will show you how to turn your work and start crocheting on the next row. Oh, there. So now, may look a little confusing, but just gonna go into this stitch here, as here. Last stitch, maybe a little confusing because of the slip knot. So now, we've just completed the first row of double crochets. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to chain 3 and turn your work. So now that you chain 3 and turned your work, you're going to make sure this loop on your hook is a bit tight. And you're going to double crochet in this first stitch right here. So you have 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Like that. So now we have our first double crochet of the row. Then now what you're going to do is yarn over, pull up a loop, so you have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're just going to keep doing that for as long as you would like. So yarn over, go through the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now that you've reached the end of your row, I'm going to show you how to finish off the end of the row. So you're going to go through your last stitches, do your double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So now that you've reached the end, you're not going to double crochet in the chain, but in this last stitch. So we're going to forget about this chain. So now, that is how you've completed a row. Now if you want to keep going, you'll just chain 3, turn, double crochet in this stitch. Go all the way to the end, and double crochet in this last double crochet and not the chain. You can just keep repeating and repeating and repeating that for as long as you'd like. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you learn how to double crochet. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so this can help boost my channel so people can find my videos to help them learn to crochet too. Thank you.